We're going to use 7-inch posts on this particular gate. They're aspen, they're native to the country, they're not treated. They will last forever because no part of those posts will ever be underground. We've got our fence laid out, we've got our gate laid out. We're going to do a 12-foot gate and we're going to use 7-inch posts. Got our 3.5, 4-foot steel set to about 4 inches underground, above ground. Both ends are set according to the distances we needed. Now we're going to dig holes and get ready to set those posts. We've got our 10, 12-inch diameter hole dug, about 8, 9, 10 inches deep. And we've got our vertical for set the post on and the angle for the underground structural strength. We're ready to set the post and pour concrete. Your basic post base kit is going to come with the post base, 6-inch screws, 1/4-inch washers, and 3-inch spacers. First off, we're going to grab a screw, put a washer on first, and put our 3-inch spacer. Now we're ready to screw it into the wood through that post base holder. Put your post base more or less center at the base of your post. Run that screw assembly in at a slight angle. Run it right up there snug. Now we'll go set that post over the steel we drove in the ground. We use standard 1x2s from any lumber yard and level to get the post more or less level. If you've got a perfect post, it's easy to lay level on there. This is a natural native post, got some curves. We use 2-inch screws to screw the braces into the post. Use 2, 3, 4, however many braces you need to get it good and solid, and you're ready to pour concrete. We'll cut a point on the end of our 1x2s, so then we can drive them in real easy with the hammer, get them buried deep in the ground, 5, 6 inches if we can. Then we can screw it off, and that brace is much more solid, stable. Okay, everything's all braced, lined up with the house and the fence, ready to pour. I like that concrete just a little bit runny, but still all the rocks in suspension, fairly thick, but a little bit runny. It mixes in around all the parts down there better. I like just vibrate it in a little bit around the base, and we'll go all the way around. I like to vibrate that in, squeegee it in around that post base. Make sure that we're good and mixed in around all the metal parts down there and up to so that we're covering just the bottom of the wood.